Alright, so I need to show you something real quick. If you browse the coloring book section on Amazon recently, you've probably noticed it too. AI coloring books are everywhere right now. Some of them look incredible, some look like someone fell asleep halfway through the drawing. But either way, they're selling, and they're selling a lot. And that's exactly why you click this video, because AI coloring books are everywhere on Amazon right now. But here's the part nobody's really saying. AI isn't the problem, it's how people are using it. Most beginners jump into the wrong niches, create inconsistent artwork, or publish books that look rushed, and that's why their books flop while others take off. So today, I'm going to show you the actual AI coloring book niches that are trending everywhere on Amazon right now, the niches real customers are buying, and the niches that you can still get into without getting buried on page 20. And stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you how to use AI efficiently so you can create high quality coloring books without spending days rewriting prompts or fixing messy line art. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. First AI coloring book niche that's everywhere on Amazon right now is going to be this cute and cozy Christmas coloring book for kids. Now this is going to be a big quarter forward niche, and we can see with the total results 988, so not actually that competitive. And usually I try to look for search results of about 1,000 or below because it's just going to tell me that the niche isn't too competitive and it's going to be a niche that I can get into and have a good chance at getting my book seen. Now the niche score shows a 40, that's actually pretty low, but when we look at the bestseller rank, we can see on average 279,000. So looking through the books, we see the number one spot ranked at 734,000. The number two spot is ranked at 51,000, and the number three spot is ranked at 26,000. So a couple high performing books so far, and then we have this one ranked at 225, and this Christmas Bold and Easy coloring book ranked at 6,498, and a few more examples of books doing very, very well: 186,000, 202,000, 74,000, and so on and so forth. Now, if we take a look at this example, this is called Cozy Christmas, a bold and easy coloring book for kids and adults. And this niche specifically, not too many pages. This one, 50 illustrations or 50 pages, which totals 106 pages overall. This is that square looking coloring book, 8.5 by 8.5 inches. We can see with the reviews, 5-star, so 9 ratings, all of them a 5-star, $9.99. And looking at the interior, so here's the front cover. Very simple type of book, just a few elements surrounding the title. And then the book belongs to page, a test page to play with colors. And then not actually an interior that we can see, but on the back cover, we can see some designs of the interior. So a very simple book, not too complicated. These books do very, very well. When we look at this graph, you can see that the sales are definitely getting better. So for the past month, you can see that sales ranks start to drop more and more. And we can just see from when it was published, you can see right here, a couple weeks where it actually didn't sell. And then all of a sudden it starts to sell. So this is the power of a seasonal niche just like this. Now, it's not actually that hard to create this type of book. As you can see, I use ChatGPT 5, and with some simple prompts, I can come out with these types of pages, which look very, very high quality and very worthy of a coloring book. And here's another simple prompt that I used. And as you can see, same characters, very consistent type of artwork, just a different theme. Now, the next AI coloring book niche we have that's everywhere on Amazon right now is called the sports coloring book for kids. Total results a little bit higher here, 3,222. And we see not very good numbers from Titan's Quick View. Demand is a 5, opportunity is a 3, but stick with me because I have a more specific niche within this one that you can go after. But let's go look through these books. First row right here, we see 17,000 BSR, only 64 pages. This one right here, 126,000 BSR. The next one, 4,000 BSR. This sports coloring book for kids ranked at 56,000. And then next row, even more examples of books doing well, 79,000, 33,000, This one is 18,000. This one is 112,000. And then you keep scrolling down and you see more and more of these examples of these sports coloring books doing actually quite well. So if you wanted to play around with this niche, you could go ahead and try this one, the sports coloring book for kids, ages 4 to 8. Total results 1,242. So a lot lower and a lot less competitive. The niche score is better here at a 58. And you're going to see similar type of books as the previous niche. And I keep looking at this one right here. I really like the cover, very colorful, sports coloring book for kids. This is exactly the type of book that I would want to look at and see what they're doing right and see if I can create a book similar to this. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at this book? Now, this book has a perfect 5.0 rating, 14 global ratings overall. And in the description here, over 60 designs, single-sided. So totaling 130 pages and priced at $9.99. So this book is still making good royalties, about $2 or so in royalties for every book sold. When we look at the sample, you can see the cover right here. You can see that these characters are not actually that consistent. You have one right here in the middle on the top that doesn't look anything like the other characters. However, the rest of the characters look pretty similar. And you get to the first page, you can see that this is just a hodgepodge put together, a bunch of elements that have no consistency. And then you have your color test page. And then here is the first page. 100% looks like it was made by AI. But that's the thing, when you're creating coloring books for kids, they don't really care because they just want to color. They're not that strict. And as you can see, this is not complete black and white. You have some shading here. So not a very good book in production overall, but when we look at the rating, you can't deny that. 14 global ratings, 5.0 overall, and a bestseller's rank of 56,000. So from Titan's Quick View, estimated 30-day royalties anywhere from $200 to $300 per month, which is actually very good. But it just goes to show you how well AI coloring books can do, even if they are subpar. Now, I'm not saying to create this type of book. I'm saying create the best high quality type of pages that you can create for your coloring books. And when we look at the interior here, you can see the hands here are broken, too many fingers, but the book is still doing well. So there you go. Now, as you can see with ChatGPT 5, you can create a similar type of coloring book, but a little bit different. Now, you can go a lot of different ways, but this one specifically is of some animals playing some sports. And then I just did another simple prompt here. You can see a bear here as a coach doing some batting practice with a bunny. And I would say this is a lot higher quality than the example that we looked at. And so depending on how you use AI, you can get results that look really, really great and have a chance to sell on Amazon. Now, the next AI coloring book that is everywhere on Amazon right now is called the Alien Coloring Book. We see total results 905, so not very competitive. We see from Titan's Quick View, the demand is a 6 here, opportunity is a 9, and the niche score analysis is a 56. Now, looking through the first row, you're going to see quite a few books here that are all catered to different types of buyers. We have this book right here, 105,000. Looks like it's made for adults, but the book right next to it right here, ranked at 368,000. Looks like it's made for kids. And then this one right here is more of that bold and easy type, ranked at 292,000. And then you have another adult type alien coloring book ranked at 46,000. And then here's one right here, 851,000. Now going to the next page, we see this one called Teacup Aliens coloring book ranked at 206,000, and then some more here. This book ranked at 297,000. You have a cute book right here called Cats and Aliens, and then this one called Cozy Alien Crime Scenes, 269,000, and then trippy and funky, bold and groovy coloring book with some aliens, 120,000. So let's take a look at this example. This one's called Dinosaur, Monster, Alien, and Dragon. Fantasy coloring book for kids, ages 4 to 8. Has a 4.9 out of 5 rating, 46 ratings overall. So very excellent book. This book has 102 pages, so probably only 50 total coloring pages, and priced at $9.99. So if we actually go to KDP's printing cost and royalty calculator and put in those details, this is an 8.5 by 8.5 inch book, and then 102 page count, $9.99. When we submit that, looking at the Amazon.com marketplace, we have a minimum list price of $5.68, so you can't list it lower than this. And then the printing cost $2.84. And so after all of the fees are paid, the estimated royalty that goes into the publisher's pocket is going to be $3.15 per book sold. Now, when we look at the interior, here is the book belongs to page, and then the first page of the interior, very simple lines, very clean. And then on the back cover, some more pages of the interior. As you can see, very cohesive, same type of art design. So this makes it a more compelling book to buy. And then with the A+ content, here are some more pages of the interior, partly colored in, so you can kind of see the quality of these pages. Now, the next AI coloring book that's everywhere on Amazon right now is called the Fairy Tale Coloring Book. Total results, we see 1,541, so not too competitive there. Niche score is a 54, and the Titans Pro analysis says demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. Looking through the first page, I see this book right here, Fairyland Adult Coloring Book, ranked at 2,903. So a very high performing book, and the book right next to it 144,000, so a decent selling coloring book right there. And then the next page, this book right here, 50,000, more of that bold and easy type. Same with this one right here. This one's ranked at 67,000. And so we see lots of different types of variations of books. A lot of them sell very well. This one, 36,000. And this enchanted one right here, ranking around 300,000. So let's go ahead and look at that Fairyland Adult Coloring Book. Now this one has a total of 104 pages, so probably 50 coloring pages in total. This is the 8.5 by 11 inch standard coloring book size. This one's going to be priced at $9.99, so about $3 in royalties per book sold. And when we look at the interior, we're going to see here is the first page. Now this is going to have more grayscaling in it, and because this is an adult coloring book, this is going to be more intricate, more complicated. But as you can see, this book totally looks like it was made by AI, but it is doing very, very well. So the people that buy these books, they tend to like it and tend to not care that it's an AI coloring book. And when we look at the reviews, 4.6 out of 5, over 1,300 ratings overall. So obviously this book is doing very, very well. When we look at the bestsellers rank, 2,903 from Titans Quick View, estimated 30-day royalties anywhere from $3,300 to over $5,000 per month. And the 30-day sales, you can see 1,500 to over 2,300 copies sold per month. Now here's another type of coloring book in this niche. This is more of that bold and easy type of coloring book. 8.5 by 8.5 inch size. This one's 81 pages, so 40 illustrations. So this one has less pages overall, and still priced at $9.99, so still around $3 in royalties. When we look at the sample, we're going to see more of a simple illustration with bold lines, and then on the back cover, you can see consistent characters. Now this book with a ranking of 67,000, still doing pretty well, $200 to almost $400 per month in estimated royalties. Now with ChatGPT, you can make this type of coloring book with some simple prompts. As you can see, this is a result of one of the prompts, and then a couple more here. Here's another simple prompt, and same character doing something else, and then one more prompt, and you can see same character in a different scene. So very cohesive, very consistent. Now the next AI coloring book that's everywhere on Amazon right now is called the Outer Space Coloring Book. We see total results pretty low here, 569, so not very competitive at all. And niche score 75, quite high with the Titans Pro analysis. Demand is a 7, and the opportunity is a 9. When we look through the first page, we're going to see a lot of books here doing very well. This book is 29,000. This book right here, 278,000. This Outer Space one, 655,000. This Space and Planets coloring book, 268,000. When we look through the rest of the page, some more books here doing very, very well. Here's one, looks like it was made by AI, 216,000. And another book right here ranked at 49,000. This book right here looks like it was made by AI, still doing pretty well, 263,000 with a 4.7 rating overall. And then this book as well looks like it was made by AI, 179,000 BSR with a 4.8 out of 5 rating. Now let's look at this book right here, Space Coloring Book for Kids, 40 plus fun cosmic scenes and mind-blowing space facts for young space enthusiasts. This one has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, so mostly 5 and 4 stars. But if I was to look at this book, looks like it was made by AI. Even though books say that they don't use AI, doesn't mean that they actually didn't use AI, and I've noticed that a lot with these book descriptions. So whether this publisher is using AI or not, this book looks like it could have been created by AI. So when we actually look at the interior, we can't actually see any of the pictures, but on the back cover, 3 of the interiors here looks like it could have been hand drawn, or it looks like it could have been made by AI. You don't really know at this point because AI has gotten so good. When we look at the bestsellers rank, 101,000, we see 30-day royalties estimated at $200 to $300 per month. And looking at the A+ content, we can see some more pages of the interior. So it's a very consistent type of book. I would say it actually even adds another layer because it adds space facts with these coloring pages. So instead of a blank page, the customer gets something more useful and adds more value to the price they paid for the book. Now, here's a space coloring page that can be made with a simple prompt. As you can see, these are some furry animals in outer space. There's a rocket ship behind them. Here's a panda in an astronaut uniform. And then with another simple prompt, you can see same character doing something different. And like I said, when you have a cohesive type of coloring book with consistent characters throughout the pages, it makes for a more compelling type of product, and a product that you can be proud of using these types of AI coloring pages. Now here's the list of some of the actual prompts that I used to show you in this video. Now I didn't make this myself, someone smart did, and all of these prompts all have consistent types of characters, a very cohesive theme, consistent theme, and all you need to do is just copy and paste this into ChatGPT, and it's going to make your entire book for you, including the cover, even the book description, even the keywords that go into the back end, and also all of the prompts for the coloring pages are all included with these prompts. Now this prompt list isn't free, but if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below. It's not super expensive, and it's definitely a great way to get started creating AI coloring books that are high quality and coloring books that you can be proud of. So those are the AI coloring book niches that are exploding all over Amazon right now. And as you saw, AI isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's becoming one of the biggest advantages for creators who know how to use it the right way. If you want to start creating these books yourself and you want them to look clean and consistent that actually have a chance at selling, I'll leave the link below to the AI prompts used in this video that I recommend for making this whole process way easier. You can try them, experiment with them, and start building your own stack of published ready coloring books without spending a fortune or wasting weeks. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.